Yeah, so today we are going to discuss about pivot and unpivot. So any idea about pivot and unpivot? Yep. Okay. Pivot and unpivot. So suppose if you take Excel, where is my Excel sheet? Okay. Okay. Some product ready. Something is here. I'm just taking only one column now. Okay. One. So some values are here. So suppose I want to transfer. What we can do? Control Shift Control C, and I will take a new column and Alt E S S. So here I'm just giving you guys, okay. See, something is came, right? I use some shortcuts and I do. Okay. Earlier how it was like Control Z. Okay. So suppose I'm just taking something like quarter one, sorry, quarter, and sales. ఏదో ఒకటి తీసుకురాం ప్లీజ్ ఏదో ఒకటి తీసుకురాం నాకొద్దు sorry guys. So I'm just giving you some example here. Sales. So what I'm trying to achieve here, I have some quarter data in rows wise. Okay, I want to see in column wise. How can you do that, guys? So suppose like this, just in Excel, I'm nothing. I'm just doing. I'm just Control C, Alt E, S S. Okay, here just put here. See some values came or not here. Yes, whatever data I put here, the same values came here. But it's giving me some sign values, but ultimately RTSS none transport. Now we can see some meaningful. See, I want to see the quarter values. I want to see something like this. Okay. For this kind of thing, we use pivot and unpivots in SQL Server. So if you want more definition, then so pivot or unpivot or relational operators. I will give you some what you call some theory. Then you can understand. Okay. Simply, you can transpose rows to columns, guys. Okay, in general terms, if you want what I perform here, simply whatever the rows, I just converted into columns, right? Here, these all are row information or not one, two, three are. So I want to convert these rows into columns. See how it will come. The quarter one came. This is a column or not? Here, my information in rows. Okay, now I transpose into columns. For that kind of requirement, you use the pivot and non-pivots. Okay. So, are you clear, or do you want me? So, while here seeing examples, then we will come to know. Okay. Transform into another order. Achieve simple way. See this turn, then we will come to know. Okay. In SQL, pivot and unpivot relational operators that are used to transform one table into another in order achieve one or more simpler way of table. Same way I discuss the same thing. I just converted my rows into columns. Here they are telling that transform one table into another in order to achieve more simpler way of table. So while executives are for any company, so they want to see their data in a simple way. Okay, they don't want to see in a row wise or something like that. They just want to see. They don't have time, right? They want to see in within within short, and I want to analyze in more, right? Suppose CEO level and general manager level, how they will read the data. So they won't go back and they want to read like raw data, right? They want to they want to see only simple terms like what is my quarter one sales, quarter two sales in one line, right? Is it easier to analyze them, right? So in quarter one maybe some amount I earn, quarter two I earn something. So within single line they can read everything, right? Is it easy for them or not? So in Excel it's easy, but suppose if they want to analyze in report level, how they can use? Please, Ra. So so they want to see in report format. Is there any way apart from SQL? Suppose even in Power BI, they have option like pivot and unpivot. Maybe if you are familiar with any Power BI. Yeah, yeah. Same that is a data modeling level you can do. But in SQL, we have keywords like pivot and unpivot. Once we use, we see some external columns. Same external columns you can use in SSR reports or something like. So if you are not sure about how can you do the data modeling in your Power BI or any external tool, you can do it. If you are good at SQL, then you can create here only pivot and pivot columns. Same columns you can use in view. Okay, views and same views you can use in Power BI or any your reporting tool. Is that correct? If I'm not wrong. Same, right? Yeah. Syntax for pivot and non-pivot. You can see. In simple term, you can just in simple term, if you are see maybe if it's a complex, then in simple term you can simply say it will convert rows to columns whenever you use a pivot. Same way when you use a unpivot, columns to rows. Okay, clear? Okay, let's see this. Select your column on column 2 from table name. Yeah, guys. Use keyword pivot. Yeah, guys. Pivot. If you want to perform any aggregate functions, just put aggregate functions. Yeah, if you want to put aggregate functions, so what you require? Columns, right? And columns only you will put aggregate functions, right? For pivot. So as for my example, where do you use normally in this one? Pivot and pivot. Guys, any idea? Where can you use as alias name? Okay. Yeah, guys. As for this example I provided earlier, so is there anywhere we can use something? I have product category 100 rows or something like. Well, category 1, 2, 2, 3, something like this. I want to see entire sales. Here I'm just giving you quarter example. I mean sales example. Same way, mostly where we can use in real time. Sales only, right? Her head count. Yeah, suppose yeah, sales. Yeah, revenues. Suppose in any organization you have head count like with a different what you call departments. Okay, right? In departments also you can take, right? department, each and every department, how many headcount are there? Is it easier, easy for a business user to read the data, right? In conventional ways. Okay. If you see some examples, then you will come to know. Okay. Yeah. Same for suppose first we can see pivot and then we can go to unpivot. Okay. Now I'm creating one table and you can see how can you do that. Yeah. Create table. Okay, some subjects I'm creating or courses. Okay. Course name has a care of 100. Okay. C category care of care of something 50. Suppose if you want to go for any course outside, what columns you can take? Suppose course name and course duration and fees, right? Like that way, I'm just taking this one. Okay, course fees or fees. Okay, price I'm just taking price as a integer. I'm just taking and one more column as a duration. Just observe. Okay, duration also integer. So I just created one table. Now I want to insert some data into this table. Insert into, yeah, courses. Yeah, guys, tell me values. So anything you can write here. Some amount, something like what is called 10,000, and duration is 60 days. Okay. So yeah, tell me, guys. I want to hear from you. mm, so we can see. So I want to just see that programming languages and some databases languages. So you can just tell me what you can see here. Programming. Hey guys, see the programming language. Java. Java is a programming. And what else you have? Anything? Python also programming, right? Now you can tell me some DB languages. So programming. Any SQL? Yeah, SQL something. I'm just putting SQL Server. DB. Some DB technologies. Okay. Anything. Just yeah, for our different. So SQL Server. Some anything. Okay. Arkle. Okay. I want to give you some example. That's why. Okay. Anything is fine. So now I'm putting some reporting tool as well. Power BI. Okay. Power BI and reporting, right? Yep. Tableau. Okay. Tableau. So I just want to change this 20,000, 30,000, okay, 20, maybe 5,000. Over 8 and 10. Okay, 15. I'll put something 15. I'm checking. Yeah. Now we can just see. So guys, any let me see. I just insert some data. Now you can just query against the table and see. Select start from. Yeah, now I can see some table information in my table. Suppose I want to see only the programming category, DB technologies, and reporting in three different columns. How can you do with that? Yes. A pivot in pivot, suppose, yeah, that we know. Suppose if you are unsure about pivot and unpivot, what is the alternate for this one? No, no. Suppose here category is there, a DB technologies and reporting. I want to put the category program, okay, group by for what? But group by you can see that only this one, right? Row wise again. Uh-huh. So case condition we can use. Suppose case when something category is it. Yeah, that's why I'm asking. So that is alternate way here. The category when then something you can write price, right? And we can write something like this, right? Programming from my table. Okay, price then and okay. I'm just giving you okay. 1 second. Invalid column CT category. Okay. See here I didn't put any aggregation. That's why it's giving you something like this. Okay. But alternately, if we put sum here, sum of case when get greater than price. Okay. Case greater than okay, 1 second. When then price. No, no, no. CC category correct only. Invalid column name. Double C is there, right? Correct only. Okay, yes. Okay, sorry. N, guys, N I put outside. That's why. Okay. S programming. See, came same way. So this is important. That's why they can ask. Maybe most of time they won't ask, but by any chance if they ask, what is alternate for this one pivot and unpivot? Here you're writing lines of code, right? Suppose how many? We are not sure, right? In real time, how many categories are there? So each and every time we cannot go and we cannot do like this, right? Guys, is that correct or not? I'm just asking. Reporting then price and as DB and as what is that? Reporting. See, now I got something values, right? Reporting to 27,000, 15,000, and is that correct? If I'm using case statement, is coming correct or not? But I want to see this information. If you are unsure about how many columns are there in real time, you are not sure, right? That's why we'll go with what we call pivot. Okay. Now we can check with the pivot example, then we will come to know. Okay. Till here clear, how can you do alternate for this one? Okay. Now we can see example then. Yeah, what I can take here, select. First I will take only inside one, then we'll see. Select from, because at the starting stage I don't know which columns I will take. That's why first I need to write pivot, then we'll take columns. Okay. Yeah. Now tell me what is my table courses, right? So guys, first if you know how to construct the query, that will be easy for you. Okay. Now you can tell me pivot. Yeah. As per my syntax, what I need to put, aggregate functions and columns. What I need to put here in pivot, sum of price or not, right? Price only, right? In my table, what is my column name? Price only. Guys, if you're getting any confused, please let me know. Please, sum of price, right? Yeah. And as per syntax, what? For, right? Guys, correct or not? For, and here pivot column. What column you want to put that pivot? What column my column name is? Yeah. And in, what is my categories names? These all are right. Programming. So maybe I didn't tell you the dynamic SQL as well, but I don't have time. But I will teach you when when I have time while we discussed in ETL or something. So otherwise, if you want to take one more class, then we will. Yeah, today we will see pivot on pivot. Then tomorrow we will discuss about that what we call cross apply and that one. So reporting, right? Yeah, this is done. So I want to put some alias name, right? As per my syntax, some alias name, right? What I need to put is as some pivot table. Just I'm putting, okay, pivot table. Yeah, now we can tell me what I need to take here. Hey guys, what I need to take here. So I'm just taking the core, whatever column. Yeah, because already I put here category in something like programming, DB technologies and reporting. Okay, the same I need to take here. Okay, now let's see. Now you can tell me programming. Programming, right? Programming. So otherwise you just copy paste this one. So just little bit confused, but if you try to understand, then it will be easy. Okay. Yeah. Now we can see category name programming. Pivot. Okay, my table name is this one. Okay, now we can see, okay, let me see. Yeah, let me try to execute this. Syntax errors. Okay. Okay, I did taken this one DB technologies. Let me update this one. 1 minute, guys. Update is my table name. Courses. Yeah, I just want to remove that spaces. How can you take? update table set what is that, CC category, right? Yep, CC category equal to where CC category equal to so nothing guys, I'm just updating for better understanding. So okay, then two rows updated. Let me check now. Check the technologies. Okay, now we can see. So data is coming now. Programming is came or not? In row wise is came or not? Because here I taken C name. That's why it's giving wherever that name is. It's a filling. నాకు name తెలియదు చేసుకో. Okay, now clear now. Suppose if you remove this one, same thing because one more column is here. That's why it's coming like this. Okay, yeah, till here. How we can take this one? One second. So, 1 second. What is my column in C name, right? So like this, we can perform pivot example, guys. So because here we are seeing null values because we have C name column is there. That's why we are seeing null. That is just forgot about that. But you guys know, right? How can we do this one? Is it clear? Guys, send it out. Okay. Now we can do same for unpivot and we can see, okay, how can we do that same as well. So now what we are doing, rows to columns. Now I want to see same output, how that looks like. Yeah, same output you want to see. Yeah. How can you do that? So already we put here is a alias name as a pivot name, right? Correct. I'm taking one more subquery here. Maybe you will get confused. I will see here. I will give you another examples also, but just try to observe. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm taking one more subquery here. How can we write a subquery? Yes. P. I'm just unpivoting. Just observe this one. Unpivot. Same thing, guys. Whatever you are writing earlier, same thing we need to write here. Oh, now it won't take sum, only price. Okay. Because I'm just taking my query as is. That's why. Okay. Okay. Price category. What is what I need to put here as unpivot, right? Unpivot. This is your choice, guys. So one more. Yeah. Now I want to take all columns again. Select CNAME. Yeah, guys. Course CC category. Yeah, and price, right? Price from. So let me double check. and pivot as a private. Uh, okay, let me execute this and we'll come to know. Incorrect syntax, keyword, unpivot. Okay, why I'm getting? Because same keyword I'm using, na? Maybe is your alias name, right? Yeah, yeah, because it's taking as a keyword, that's why. Okay, yeah. Now we can see invalid column name, C name. Okay, perfect. Okay. See now as same table is came now. We see the difference. Pivot and unpivot. Guys, you come to know what we are doing. Pivot is nothing but rows to columns, and unpivot is vice versa, right? Yeah, same it came as is. Clear till here? So like this way we can perform. We can see more examples, then we'll come to know. Okay. So as of now, we see only our generic examples, but we can see our actual example, then we'll come to know. So what is the alternate way for pivot? Yep. Yeah. Okay. Now we can see with our tables, then we can see. I have some sales, what do you call sales table. In sales, I have some, what do you call sales territory ID. Before that, let me save this. Control S. Pivot and pivot. Okay, sales. So there is a sales territory table. Select top 1000 rows. Okay. Now I want to see. This is the best example I can say. In group here, if you see a group is there, right? Guys, you can tell me. Now I already provided one example. Now you can tell me based on this example. How can you pivot on this table? So my pivot is this one group. North America, Europe, and Pacific. I want to see and sales YTD accordingly. How can I see? Well, this is for you. Just try to tell me. Yeah, I will give you first summarize values, then we can see. Okay. Now how it is coming? Europe, North America, and Pacific. I want to see this rows into columns. How can you do that? Guys, tell me. As per the same example, you just try to tell me how can I do this. You guys tell me, I will write. I will wait. Okay, that is some try. Okay, I'm just writing select as usual. Usual. I'm constructing query here. Select, yeah, from. Hey guys, tell me. Let us try something. Okay, let it be. I don't want to waste your time. So first, what I need to take here. Before that, I want to write first pivot. Okay, pivot. Okay, from here I am taking. Yeah, sum of what is my this one sales OTD or not? Okay, Hmm. Tell me. For what is my other column? Group, all right. Okay. Right, group only, right? Group. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Europe. Yeah. Group in this. You want to put this one, right? So what is my Europe, comma, North America and Pacific, right? Pacific. I need to close. Yep. Yes. From P table. Okay. This is my pivot. But I want to write something here in my from statement, right? One second. I'm writing one more subquery, then I will construct the main query. Yeah. Now select. Yeah. Sales. Yeah, guys. Tell me. Sales YTD. And what is my other column? Group, right? From sales ready, right? Select the sales YTD. Sales. Okay. As what I need to put some T pivot or something. Okay. Yeah. Now you can tell me the main query. How can I construct this one? So just to put some alias name as a sales YTD as SYTD. Yeah. What I need to put this three I need to see, right? Correct or not? So now we just see. No came or not? See same thing. Hey guys, are you confusing or do you want me to explain? I think guys, actually, I'm just doing this one. Okay, what I'm doing is sum of sales YTD for wherever the groups are right, Pacific, North America, and all. Okay, once this is ready, I'm just taking the same values in my main query. Here, this is my just optional, but because why I'm taking this, this is why I'm taking because I taken one subquery here. Earlier, blindly I written here because I know the query. That's why I written. So something I written inside that subquery, the same values I'm using here. Okay. Directly also we can take, but I want to some meaningful information I want to get. That's why I will take this one. So guys, clear? You will see some more examples there. One more example, right? So, okay. Yeah, I already construct this one. I know we lost, that's why. Okay. Uh, Now you can tell me I want to product category. Okay, sales I didn't take. So P dot some sales something is there, right? Sales, some cost, standard cost. Hmm, fine. Okay. Yeah. Uh, from this query, I want to see product category ID actually four only. One, two, three, four. Okay. I want to see sum of product category one to four. How can you do that? Guys, this query actually constructed while you guys joined before. I think Priya and Raj is there. So I think guys, we'll give you this also. Uh, why I created earlier? Just because I want to see sum of sales. Yeah, sales group by the product category ID. How can you write? Yeah, guys, tell me. How can we write this one? Any guesses? At least guess something. Mm-hmm. Okay. చూడండి. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me construct this one first. Okay. Select. Okay. First, we'll take. So from I want to write my subquery inside, right? Correct or not? The entire subquery. Okay. So I want to put some meaningful name as tab pivot. Okay. Now we can write pivot. Yes. Pivot. Yep. Sum of. Uh, no, this one standard cost, right? Yep. Okay. Or okay. Product category ID. Right? Product category ID. Product category ID in. Yeah, guys. 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. Okay. That's it. As as pivot table. Okay. Now I want to write main query. Now you can tell me. Why do you require? I want to see. Okay. Because already some of standard cuts are I'm pushing here, right? So let me give you some example. Then if it's coming or not, we'll see. Okay. 3, comma 4, comma. Yep. So now we can just see what is the magic here. I'm not sure it will come or not. You only guys want to tell me. Order book is okay. Okay. Yeah, guys. This is also one of the interviews. Suppose if you take a subqueries, it will allow order by class. No, right? Yep. Cool. See, some values came now. One value is nowhere, right? Here. So whenever he have something like this is a unreadable data or not? I mean, values are coming, but do you think this is a correct? All right. Then what we can do here? I need some suggestion. Do you want me to take one more subquery? Yeah, guys, tell me something. At least just try, na? Try something. Okay. So can I modify this query? Then it will come. No, I'm just giving you raw data, guys. So can I modify this data? Obviously, I can modify, right? Yeah, guys, that's why I'm giving you hints. Okay. So how can you construct the query is an important one. Now, I don't want everything, okay? I want only sum of, okay, sum of standard cost. Huh, what I require? Only this one? Product category is enough, right? Yeah, guys, product category is enough or not? Okay, now I'm taking this one. I'm running everything. So, are with me? As of now, able to understand? Okay. So why I'm giving you more example just because you try to understand the concepts. Okay. How you can do? Okay. Now I just want to replace my query with this one. Correct or not? Okay. Clear now? Now, please. Now, now how it will come? Is it easy or not? So thing is, you need to know how to construct the queries. Guys, clear? If you see the difference, because even I write this also I need to write one more sub query while taking this one. But if you are good at SQL, here only you can simplify the query. The same query you can use. Suppose if you want get the data also, you can take one more subquery top, then you can put the select sum of 1 comma 2 comma 3. But why you need to waste that lines and unnecessary lines data, right? Suppose if you write like that, definitely the product owner or maybe your manager will come to know, okay, this guy doesn't know, maybe he's a beginner level guy. If I write like this, it's a meaningful or not? How I simplified my query, correct? Is it easy or not? So like this, okay. Now you come to know, right? How can you do that? Clear? Uh, any examples required? I think these all are more than sufficient. But let me know if you require anything. Okay, now we see pivot and we can see one more unpivot data. Then we can close it out. Okay. Already I have some data. Okay, pivot where we see here. This one, right? Pivot. So that's okay. Actually I created this my rest all I took from some internet sources, but these examples I think you won't get anywhere. But just try to practice. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm doing unpivot. Just try to observe. This already I written somewhere. That's why I took. Okay. Yeah. Already you know pivot. Now we can just see it unpivot. Okay. Oh, sorry. Maybe my table. I don't have any table like unpivot. Pivot. Let me first insert some data. The first example is clear, right? Let me see. The same table we know. How can we unpivot this one? One second. Okay. Hey guys, tell me, how can you unpivot this one? So guys, I'm just asking you, how can we do that? Unpivot. We see many examples for unpivot also. Same thing, right? How we can use the category here. So this is a what you call homework for you. I just want to get some inputs from you. It's a simple with this example. Just put only unpivot. Same example I provide here. Based on that, I want to see output from you guys. I know maybe you guys will do. Hey guys, you will do or not? At least you will try, na? Okay, if you are not try, then I will put. Okay, you just try. Okay. Uh, that's it. I'm just closing here. I thought I will close a sequel today, but it's not done. Okay, tomorrow we can close. Hopefully. So what is left? Only that cross apply and outer apply, right? Before that, I'm just giving you some heads up. You just check that inner join and outer join. Before that, before I give training on that, okay? Because it's a very similar cross apply and outer apply. Cross apply very similar with the inner join, and outer apply is very similar with the left joins or right joins or anything. Outer joins, okay? That's why I'm just asking you to just prepare inner join and outer join. Okay, tomorrow be ready. So I will give you overview on that. Hopefully tomorrow you will close, and from Wednesday onwards you will check with this one. Uh, Data warehouse and ETL. Okay, guys, if I miss anything, just let me know. I know your question is the recording is not uploaded, but I will try to upload today. I'm not getting some time. Okay, okay, guys. So yeah. Sure. Definitely. Okay, I'm just saving this one. Okay, sorry. You guys asking something. Yeah, thank you, guys. We will see tomorrow. Okay.